Johto Johnny's the name, Pokemon is the game. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Today is another short, Vivid Voltage, hoping to pull that Rainbow Rare Pikachu. And we're up against JD State CCM 90, Jim and Nicole. Be sure to check out their channel. The link will be in the description. This is a Pokemon card opening channel. If you enjoy Pokemon, please consider subscribing for more content. Energy, Nuzleaf, Opal, Bee, Wooper, Galarian Meowth, Cottonee, Arcuda, Nincada, Oshawott, and Garbodor. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.